How to turn off automatic story saving on Snapchat. Hello everybody. If you're wanting to do that, you may follow up these easy steps. So head over to Snapchat first. And then once you open up Snapchat, head over to your profile in the top left corner. And then after your profile page appears, go to the settings at the top right corner. Tap on the gear icon. After tapping on it, scroll down and locate the option called Memories. So go ahead and locate Memories from Privacy Control section, tap on it. And after tapping on it, here you will be finding option called Auto Save My Story Snaps. Go ahead and tap on it from Save Destinations. And then once you go ahead and do that, select the first option, which is Don't Auto Save, check mark on it. And once you do that, it will turn off automatic story savings on Snapchat. So that's it for now. You may follow up the step in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.